Hey guys, welcome to this video here where I'm in the garage, and the reason is I'm going to turn around because it's more comfortable to lean against the door, but I am in the garage here. And the reason is that I wanted to talk about productivity, and that I see people in traffic sometimes, and I wonder what they're doing in their car, if they're being productive, because I find when I was going through this process and there was just so much information to absorb, it was like all the different books and courses and this and that. The good thing is that they would come, a lot of these courses would be on video, and you would get transcriptions and you would get audio and you get all this stuff. So the main thing I would look for is the ones that offered audio, because I could go and I could put that, whether it was on my phone or like MP3 player, whatever, depending on what crappy model of vehicle I had at the time. But I could go, if you see me start chattering, it's because it's cold in here, but I would take the audio sections and I would put them on my phone or whatever so I could listen to them in my car. Anytime I was in my car and I had to go from point A to point B, it was always about listening to something, to doing some learning. And I think it was an audio course that I was listening to where they actually talked about the process, and I think they called it Automotive University. Right? The fact that you could go and listen to so much information. If you got to commute every day, you think about it, 30 minutes a day, right? Like an hour each week, 5 hours a week, 20 hours a month of just pure, unadulterated learning towards whatever business endeavor, whatever you want to learn, progress in, or, develop as far as your range of knowledge. You just have so much time where you're subjected to it. And it's like, and I get it. Like I like to listen to music. And I used to just pound the tunes in my car. But then once I discovered the online university, that was it. It changed it for me. And there's just been so much information and knowledge that I processed because I had that time and just, dedicated and used it. So if you want to be productive, if you want to, use that time, that's the time to go and learn and be productive. So if you're in your car, turn off the tunes, turn on the Automotive University, and start crushing some books and some knowledge. See you next video.